Hello and welcome to Janky Cooking with Jessie. Today we're going to make vegetarian chili. Kind of, my version. Okay, we're going to start with about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. As you can see, this is all we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ingredients, and you have a good dinner. Or lunch. Okay, here I have about half of a cup of onions. It's a satisfying noise, isn't it? Okay, I got all the onions in now. These are frozen onions, actually. Last time I used an onion, I had extra, so I just froze chunks of it. And then today I chopped them up. It's really easy to chop a frozen onion. I'm going to saute this until they're starting to turn brown, probably about 3 minutes. Then I'll come back and move to the next step. As you can see, my onions are nice and translucent. It's been 3 minutes. I'm now going to add the same amount of red bell peppers. Like I said, I did probably between 1/3 and 1/2 of a cup of each. I just had a leftover half of a bell pepper. And I had some mangy looking carrots, and I just ground them up in my Thermomix. You could just chop them if you wanted or use a blender. I prefer that the carrots are really fine for this though, so that I get that sweetness throughout the whole chili. Now you're going to stir this together and let the vegetables get soft for probably another 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, here we're back. These are softened up a bit. Now we're going to add 1 can, 14 ounce I think, 14.5 ounces. I'm using diced tomatoes with green chilies added to get that extra pop of flavor. But you can use tomato sauce, you can skip the kind with the chilies. It's really up to you. Gosh, that sizzle's gorgeous. I don't like chunks of tomato though, so I also blended this up. It was just easier for me to get the diced tomatoes. They're what I could find quickly. But look at that. That is still a little too thick for me. I'm going to add some water here. I have a can partially full. You're just going to add water to the texture that you prefer. And at the same time, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mild taco seasoning. If you like spicy stuff, make it more spicy. That's up to you. You can even use less taco seasoning if you prefer. This is really all about your taste buds. Kind of a blueprint for you for making your own vegetarian chili. Look how quick this has gone. Took us 3 minutes, I think, for the onion, 3 minutes for the veggies. We're still under 10 minutes. We're adding in our sauce and our water. I think I'm going to add a touch more water. Then here I have 1 can of black beans that I have rinsed off. I've gotten rid of all the liquid and rinsed it off. I'm going to add that in. And voila, once this has simmered for, I don't know, I'll give it 5 minutes to just come together. And you can dish it up. Put what you like on it, maybe some sour cream, maybe some cheese. I'm going to be doing a squirt of lime juice in the final product once it's in my bowl. But there you go. Dinner in under 10 minutes. 15 if you let it simmer for a bit, and I'll let it simmer for a bit. This is also something that you can make ahead and just let sit or make for meal prep the day before. Have a couple of meals. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this recipe helpful, and I appreciate you spending some time with me. Take care. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.